In this video, we will compare two popular motherboards, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI B650-S WiFi. Both motherboards cater to different generations of AMD Ryzen processors and offer unique features tailored to various user needs. Let's dive into the details and see which one might be the best fit for you. The ASUS Prime B550-PLUS utilizes the AM4 socket, making it compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000 and 3rd Gen Ryzen processors. In contrast, the MSI Pro B650-S WiFi features the newer AM5 socket, allowing it to support the latest Ryzen 7000 series CPUs. This difference is crucial for users looking to future-proof their builds or upgrade their processors in the coming years. When it comes to memory, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS supports DDR4 memory, which is widely available and cost-effective. On the other hand, the MSI Pro B650-S WiFi supports the newer DDR5 memory, offering improved performance and bandwidth. This can significantly enhance system responsiveness and multitasking capabilities, especially for high-performance applications and gaming. In terms of connectivity, the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS comes with a 1 gigabit LAN connection but lacks built-in Wi-Fi. In contrast, the MSI Pro B650-S WiFi offers a 2.5 gigabits per second LAN connection, along with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 support. This makes the MSI motherboard a better choice for users who prioritize wireless connectivity and faster network speeds. In conclusion, both the ASUS Prime B550-PLUS and the MSI Pro B650-S WiFi have their strengths and weaknesses. The ASUS motherboard is a great budget option for those using older Ryzen processors, while the MSI board is ideal for users looking to build a future-proof system with the latest features. Be sure to consider your specific needs and budget when making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.